In this video, I'm going to show you how to make phone calls using Siri on iPhone. So if you have the iPhone Siri set up, you can perform virtually all functions using the Siri functions on your iPhone. So in today's video, you'll learn how you can easily command Siri to make a phone call. But you first need to set up Siri on your iPhone to know whether the iPhone Siri is working or not. So if you find this educative and helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this. Now the first you want to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on Siri and search. So scroll down and click on Siri and search. Once you hit that, tap listen for Siri. Then choose either Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Once you click any of this, then you need to tap enable Siri. Just make sure the Siri is not turned off. Then I'm going to go with Siri or Hey Siri. Then enable Siri here. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to go through the Siri process if you have not set up Siri on your iPhone. But because I've been using Siri on my phone and I choose to turn it off, that is why you see I'm not subjected to taking the test again. So in your case, you might be subjected to taking Siri test so as to be able to use Siri command on your iPhone. Now in this case, I also don't like press that button for Siri. You can just disable this. There you go. Once everything is set, go back to your iPhone home screen and then command Siri to make a phone call by saying, Hey Siri, please call my woman. Can you see? Can you see that? Now Siri just put a call through to my woman by using the voice command. So this is how you can easily make phone calls using Siri on your iPhone.